What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. Today we got an unboxing, and I will be not playing with these shears because I almost cut my finger. But got a box from SUPRENT today. We're gonna go ahead and get this open and see what we got, so stay tuned.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
All right, everybody, so let's go ahead and open this box. I always say this, I should be cutting away from me, but it's just easier to cut towards myself. Well, we'll go this way. Let's see. All right, so we got, looks like we have a SUPRENT foil shaver. It says FS235. So there is the boxing. Like a lot of their boxing, I dig it. It's got the branding on there. You got the SUPRENT logo here, SUPRENT logo on the opposite side, and you got your SUPRENT logo blacked out on the front. On the back side, it says SUPRENT, we care, brand SUPRENT. I'm writing you guys down the specs of what's on here. The motor is 8,000 RPMs, I believe it says. Power supply input DC 5 volt 1A. Running time 2 hours, charging time 2 hours. So run to charging time is 1 to 1 basically. Battery type is lithium ion. Battery capacity is 1400 mAh. So this is a company that has been sending me a lot of stuff to use and review. So if you haven't watched any of my other videos, go check out. I did 2 other unboxings recently. The SUPRENT, it's like a silver clipper. I forget the actual model number, but we did also unbox the SUPRENT Black Devil clipper and trimmer set, which I still have on the station and I'm still using to this point in time. So both great clippers for a really good price. So let's get this open and I'll let you guys see what we have for a shaver. Okay, we got the plastic off, so go ahead, let's open this up here. I always love doing this. I don't know why it's so satisfying to take apart these boxes, but every time I get an iPhone, a new iPhone, it's exactly how it feels. So I'm going to slide that bad boy off. There inside, we got another plastic container or plastic cover. Gonna take that bad boy off, toss that over there. And before we look at the shaver, I'll let you guys see, it says right here, accessories are at the bottom of the package. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this bad boy out and see what accessories actually come with this. So first and foremost, we have our it's a USB-C to a USB, and then we have a card here, more information about the company on the back, and you can register your tool to get the warranty. And then also we have the user manual, of course, as you can see there. And I'm assuming that this is called the Magician. So the shaver is called the Magician. Just basically has all your standard operating procedures and all that stuff. Also, we have a cleaning brush here, but if you watch a lot of my reviews and unboxings, this is gonna be used for color enhancement. Look how wide that is. I love these cleaning brushes because they're very great for applying color. So we're gonna use that for color enhancement. Also got a box that says accessories. So let's see what's in this bad boy here. Oh, here we go. This is the actual, oh, that is dope. I am impressed. Yo, if every company would give you an extra shaver head, yo, I'm stoked about that. That's what's up. That's a shout out to SUPRENT, you know, thinking outside the box and putting it in the box. So we got an extra shaver head for the shaver that we have in there. So that's really dope. So that's what's included as far as the accessories are concerned. And now let's go ahead and look at the actual shaver. Okay, everybody, so it is the moment of truth. Are y'all ready to see the shaver here? Boom, there's the back side. There is the front. So me, as a Las Vegas Raider fan, I am really digging the silver and black concept of the shaver. The shaver is, it's pretty weighty. I mean, I know it is plastic, but it is pretty weighty. I dig that. You got your standard cover for your shaver there. Go ahead and take that off. So as I was saying, you have the shaver foil here, and then we have an extra one in the box. So that's really cool. But let's see, then you have this button right here. I'm assuming it's to pop that off. There are your blades. I mean, not much you could expect. No, this isn't like some super drawn out, detailed description of a shaver. You've seen shavers, but I will list how much this is somewhere down here so you can get an idea of the retail price for this. as well as where you can get it. So with that being said, let's turn this on here. It does feel pretty powerful. I'm digging how powerful that is. I like the little blue LED indicator light there. You have your charging dock at the bottom, the USB-C, you can see that. And you can't really miss turning this on. That's a very convenient power switch right there, especially when you're shaving. Shavers are a different type of shape. So, you know, clippers are more cylindrical. This is just like a straight up rectangular box. So having this type of grip and power switch is very convenient because you can't really miss that. It's got a bunch of ridges, got a lot of grip there. You can turn that on and off. So initial thoughts on this, I have to say that I'm impressed. I'm very impressed with the power and the weightiness of it. I like the color scheme, but the real test is going to be how this performs in the shop. So that's what everybody's here for. You guys want to know how this performs. So I will do a review on this. I will use it in the shop, try to get some clips from here on out to see how it actually operates, how it performs for y'all. But for as far as what I'm seeing right now, I really dig the concept. I really dig the fact that they have an extra shaver inside the box. Not a lot of companies do that at all. But I do wish that they did come with a, what do you call it, a little cube, you know, with your phone chargers. A lot of times these newer companies that I see that are on Amazon and stuff like that are coming up in the barber clipper game. They don't actually give you the little box that you plug into the outlet. They just give you the USB. So other than that, that's the only complaint I have at the moment. Like I said, initial review, our initial unboxing, initial thoughts right out the box. Raider Nation, black and silver. Sounds pretty powerful, but we're gonna see how it operates. And another thing, a lot of shavers, I think the wall is the biggest shaver that I've used as far as how it holds in the hand. The Babyliss is really heavy. I didn't like how that one felt. The one that I use the most is the Andis Pro Foil shaver. That's the go-to for myself. But this one is, I believe, a little bit smaller than the Andis Pro Foil shaver. So I think that's pretty dope. It's a more convenient tool. It's gonna take up less space on your station. But like I said, stay tuned. I will get a review out for y'all, but initial unboxing, this looks pretty dope. I'll leave a link in the description below on where you can get it. And once again, shout out to SUPRENT for sending me this shaver. If you're not following SUPRENT on social media, go to Instagram, type in @SUPRENT_official. Go follow them. They do have great tools for very, very good prices. If you're looking for a startup kit, if you're a student looking for some tools that are in your budget, if you're an at-home barber, across the board, they have tools for every facet of life, whether you're professional or whether you're an at-home barber. So go check out SUPRENT @SUPRENT_official. Go follow me on Instagram @Jayblends_, and stay tuned for more videos to come. And until next time, God bless.